What's up, everybody? This is Jay. Welcome to another sneaker review, Sneakerheads. All right, I got a new one. This is some new Jordans I picked up from eBay. eBay has a new authentication service where you can make sure the shoes you get are authentic. In the past, people didn't like to pick up stuff off eBay because you didn't know if what you was buying was real or not, and you could have been paying full price for a couple pairs of fake-aroos. So now you know with the new eBay authentication service that you are getting exactly what you paid for. What happens is you buy the shoes from the seller sends them directly to eBay authentication services. They make sure everything is authentic and legit, then they send it straight to you. So I tried them out once before, trying them out again. This comes straight from eBay with the eBay packaging and the tape on it. Let's open it up. Sometimes people don't mind if they buying some fakes. The only difference that I think is that if you're paying $50, you get what you pay for. But if you're paying more than full price or full price, then you need to get what you paid for as well. So when you get it, it says meet your soulmate. Okay. And then also it says eBay authenticity guaranteed. All right. I tried to get these on Sneakers app. Of course, I didn't win the draw like most people. So I had to buy these from a third-party seller. And also, if you're thinking about selling your shoes, you might want to go on eBay because they don't charge any fees when you're selling shoes over $100, which is damn near almost all shoes. So if you're thinking about selling your shoes, you already know STOCKX and, GOAT and other places charge a lot of fees to sell those shoes. Whereas on eBay, fees for your feeds. Anyway, these are the PSG Jordan 7s. Got the nice blue in there. This is a raised print on here. I know some people are thinking, oh, it's just the box. Some of those people that aren't in the shoe culture, but the box, the paper, everything has a part to go with the shoes. When you get it, it comes with these cards that is showing that they are authentic and are verified by eBay authenticators. And it also comes with an eBay, NFC enabled tag, similar to StockX. And this way, your shoes are authentic. Now this, of course, the paper, nice Jordan paper. And these I like a lot. These Jordan 7s PSG. So, as you see, you got the eBay authentication tag right here put in there to show that it is authentic item from eBay. The are the real deal. I like how it's got the gold Jordan and it's a raised gold Jordan. It's got a couple clear panels with the see-through, and then also you can see at the back it has the Paris Eiffel Tower. These boys is lit, okay? It also, although you can't see it that well, you can see that this is actually somewhat clear see-through, and it's pretty dope how they put this shoe together. It has the clear panels on both sides. You can see the PSG on each side. And then, of course, on the inside, it's in French. Oui, oui. C'est bon. So, anyway, these is dope. Picked them up off eBay. Made sure that they are the authentic, real deal, legit shoes. And if you're thinking about go ahead and copping some shoes off eBay, they just step their game up as far as buying your shoes and making sure they authentic. Just make sure it says authenticity guaranteed, and you will be guaranteed to get the real shoes. It's got the real leather, everything. So if you didn't get the draw, but you wanted those shoes, don't feel bad. Your only option is not StockX or GOAT. You can go to eBay and get them. Me, I like to check it out on eBay, see what they got, because a lot of times you can get a better deal. So I have used StockX as well as GOAT in the past, and I may still use them again, but right now I'm going to go to eBay and see what they talking about too. So anyway, I'm Jay. Check it on out, and I'll see you on the next one. If you want me to review your shoes or any other product, don't forget to click on that link down below. Hit me up, and we can make it happen. Deuces.